Joe?
Hey, Michael.
Hey, you ready to go?
I am. Let's go.
All right, awesome. Hey, thank you so much for offering to help at the open house this Sunday. The home is beautiful. The sellers are incredible people. I really just can't thank you enough.
Absolutely. I'm excited to go.
Hey, do you know what I love?
What's that?
Being prepared. But do you know what I love even more?
What?
Helping buyers be prepared, and that's exactly what you and I are going to do this Sunday at the open house. Not only will they be able to tour an amazing home, but you'll be there to help them get pre-qualified for a home loan right there on the spot. Isn't that right?
That's right. Getting pre-qualified is the first step in purchasing a home. We'll go over helpful mortgage tips, different loan programs and options, and customize a plan to meet their needs. Being prepared is essential.
Oh man, what you just said is music to my ears, because when you're buying a home, being prepared truly is the name of the game, right?
That's right.
All right. Well, hey, actually, looks like we are here. Check it out.
Where are we?
We're at the open house, Joe.
Open house isn't till Sunday from 2 to 4.
Yeah, exactly.
It's Thursday, and it's 5:30.
Right, and you and I are going to be really prepared. Come on, help me with the tent.
A tent? Oh, hey, sweetie. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be home for a few days. Michael said he wants us to be really prepared.
Yeah, but, tell her not to worry.
Okay, and Michael says, don't worry,
And tell her that I'm an Eagle Scout.
and he's an Eagle Scout. Yeah, I know. I love you too. Bye.
Oh, hey, I forgot. Do you want a cupcake?
No, man, I'm good.
All right.